Once upon a time, in sunny meadow, the sun lifted its yawny face above the trees and warmed every nook and cranny. In a cozy den under a flowering bush, Edwina the elephant blinked, stretched out her trunk, and was struck by a tremendously fun idea. "I want to play in the pond today," Edwina trumpeted, her voice echoing off the distant hills. By the pond, her friend Rico the rabbit was already bouncing by the water's edge, twitching his nose at every splash. Lola the ladybug was perched on a lily pad, soaking up the sunshine and humming a cheerful tune. "Let's splash and play," Edwina called out, her feet thumping with excitement. Rico's ears perked up and Lola fluttered her wings. The three friends giggled and whispered, plotting the silliest games ever played in pond history. Edwina, feeling extra bold, shuffled her huge feet, took a deep breath, and leapt into the pond. She landed with a mighty splash. Water rocketed into the air. Rico the rabbit, standing nearby, was washed from head to toe in sparkly drops. His fur turned from fluffy to soggy in a wink. Lola the ladybug was sent spinning gently on her lily pad, giggling as she went. "Wow! Your splash made a big wave," Lola cheered, clinging tight. Edwina became all sparkly-eyed with curiosity. "What if I do it again?" she wondered aloud, eager as ever. She stomped her feet in the shallows. Splash! 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 Each stomp made bigger and bigger waves. The next wave was so grand, it tickled the reeds by the pond's edge. A family of frogs, Mama, Papa, and a chorus of little ones, leaped high, croaked a song of surprise, and landed on the soft, wet grass. Rico giggled, "Edwina, your stomps make everything move." Wanting to try something different, Edwina twirled slowly, swirling her trunk like a magical wand. Water spun round and round, creating a whirlpool that danced with sunlight. Lola pointed, "Oh, look at the ripples. They move in circles." Edwina noticed the fallen leaves floating in gentle circles. "The leaves are having a ride," she laughed, watching the water's movement. Rico hopped closer, munching a tender reed and thinking hard. "Edwina, when you stomp or twirl, you make the pond change. It's cause and effect. You do something, and something else happens." The three friends spent the whole afternoon trying different splashing tricks. Big splashes pushed shiny pebbles closer to shore. Small, careful splashes left Lola's lily pad mostly dry. Swirling trunks set the water spinning, sending little ripples far and wide. Sometimes Edwina's trunk sent water high in the air, sometimes just a gentle sprinkle tickled Rico's paws. No matter what, something always happened next: a wave, a ripple, a frog leap. As the sun began to slip behind the meadow, Edwina sat thoughtfully at the pond's edge, her trunk curled. "Today, I learned that when I splash, stomp, or swirl, the water and all my friends react. That's cause and effect," she mused. Rico and Lola smiled, happy to be part of Edwina's wonderful discoveries. "Let's always take turns and watch how things change. Experimenting is safe and fun," Lola declared. With laughter, they leapt and splashed until the stars blinked into the evening sky. Everyone agreed, Edwina's pond was now the very best place for learning and playing together, where every splash told a brand new story. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!